kind of go in and show y'all up close when you pull all of this hair apart.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Hey everyone, so I got this wig from Keswigs. This is their Undetectable Lace 13x6 lace front unit. This isn't a natural black, but I actually ended up dyeing this hair a little bit towards the end. But I wanted to kind of just show you guys how I installed it and just get into the comparisons between this hair and also Hairvivi. There's Love Me hair, and then there's also XRS Beauty hair. This is a way more affordable option. Like, this is literally half the price of all these other wig companies that were listed in this video. I'll talk about that more in the talking portion, but let's go ahead and do the install first, and then we'll get into the specs of this unit. I always make sure that I use a hot comb. It doesn't matter how many times I'm reinstalling a wig. Every single time I have to flatten it because it does lift while after you take it off, and that will make it lay the best. Even after, you know, doing the flattest braids possible underneath, you still have to do this step. You cannot skip this. And I tell anyone that asks me questions about how I lay my units, always have one of these handy. Keswigs also added in a curling iron in my box that they sent me, so I'm going to be using this to go ahead and bump the front of this hair. I only bump the front because I think it just gives me that curtain bang look that I was looking for. I actually did put layers in the hair off camera, but I've done that in so many of my videos. Y'all have seen it. If you want to see it in a different video, just let me know, but it's super easy, and this curling iron is actually really good. Okay, hi everyone, what's up? I am back with a new video. I'm actually in my living room. I'm not filming right now in my bedroom because I figured that I wanted better lighting for these videos. Sorry, I'm looking outside because like there's bugs out there, but they're not in here, so that's good. But yeah, I got this unit that I'm wearing right now from Keswigs. It's actually an all natural black wig, but I went in and put some highlights or brown highlights just to give it some more dimension. But yeah, they sent me this. They also sent me a few things inside of here that I'll show you guys. I also cut off a couple inches, so it's actually an 18-inch wig, but now it's probably like a 16-inch. This is the little bag that it comes in. Comes with wig caps. It comes with a Keswig scarf that, well, it's not really a scarf, it's just something that you lay down the baby hairs with. And so, yeah, if you're trying to lay this down, you would naturally put this over. Also, it comes with a little bag, and it's got an edge, pretty sure it has like an edge brush, elastic band, which I already sewed one in here, a little hair clip, and bobby pins. Ooh, comes with tweezers as well. But yeah, basically they sent me this unit to kind of showcase the lace that they have going on here, and also the lace is definitely comparable and probably even better than Hairvivi. So I actually have a Hairvivi wig right here to show y'all. Own Undetectable Lace. So for the Hairvivi lace, it's got this little like thing on the inside to help kind of camouflage or to help make it look as natural as possible. This doesn't have that. Like, if you can see, they really did bleach the knots super well. Like, I'm gonna kind of go in and show y'all up close. When you pull all of this hair apart, how natural, like it looks like my scalp. With the Hairvivi wigs, I didn't really get this because of what they have going underneath. And also, this is a 13x6 lace, so this goes, the parting space goes all the way back here. Like, there's actually a lot more lace than I expected there to be. There's way less tracks going on for this unit, and the hair is extremely soft. I know for a couple of the Hairvivi wigs that I've gotten, the hair is nice, but it loses a lot of its luster after a few washes. I've washed this wig a couple times. It is still very soft. And also, I bleached this hair, okay? And it still has a lot of the same luster. It's very soft. I can run my fingers through it and it's perfect. And I'm just saying, like, Keswigs has very, very good quality hair and also good quality lace. So this was an 18-inch. I'm gonna actually go in and look up the price of this unit. Okay, yeah. So this is their Undetectable 13x6 Indian Hair HD Lace Frontal. So, like I said, this is an Undetectable HD lace. As you can see here, y'all, it's so good. I could literally put this in a half up, half down do if I really wanted to, and it would look amazing. So you can also save $150 on this unit. The price of this wig is only $319.90. So when you're getting, like, basically for the Hairvivi prices, every single wig that I've gotten from Hairvivi has been $500 and up. The last one I spent was like $600. I did the payment plan, but I just finished paying for it. Crazy. But this is only $319, and you use the code SAVE50 to get $150 off. So they're having a sale right now apparently, and you can choose lengths 14 all the way through 30, which is cool. But the one that I got is an 18-inch, so yeah. You also get 4 to 5 days free shipping, 180%. It is a lot of hair. It's very, 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 very thick. They give you a lot with this unit. Now I'm gonna go close up again to kind of still show you guys the HD lace of this unit, and obviously in the other clips that I've shown, I would have shown you how to apply this wig to your head, because it's super easy just because of how natural everything looks. Like, this is absolutely crazy. Let me go in even closer. And this is only with Got To Be Glued. That's it. That's literally it. I've also been wearing this wig to work for the past week or so, and I've just been getting so many compliments on this hair. Like, it's crazy. And also, I was going to order this style wig from Hairvivi, and I wanted it in exactly this, you know, brown highlighted or brown ombre look. I didn't want to have to purchase it, so when Keswig contacted me, I was like, let me just try this myself and see how everything turns out. So I went in and I just did my own, you know, hair dye job. This could use a little bit more, obviously, brown in the highlights, like this side, but it turned out pretty okay. Like, the rest of it is brown. They also sent me a curling iron, so that's how I basically went in and did these little cute little waves. I didn't want the hair to be super curly, but that was super nice of them. And also it can also fold, so it's very travel friendly, which is nice. I'll show you guys, this is how the Hairvivi one looks on my arm. It's cool, but so the lace is just a little bit more hard, I don't know, it's a lot more thick in comparison to the lace for Keswigs. So you're able to get the 13x6 hair, as well as having 180% to 200% density, and it being a luxurious texture density. So they're also giving you 180 to 200%. You're getting this really, really nice texture, and it's also comparable to companies like Love Me Hair, XRS Beauty Hair, and Hairvivi. and it's for way less of a price. Like, they're not charging as much as Hairvivi or all these XRS Beauty, all these companies that are charging $500, $600, $450, close to $500, literally for half the price. There are affordable options out there for people that want to have a nice looking unit and not have to break the bank doing that, which is cool. For this type of lace, I'm shocked. So yeah, go get your hands on this, you guys, please. They are amazing. I'm in love with how everything turned out. I'm probably gonna film the other half of this video tomorrow so I can show you how I actually install the hair on. So basically, I will show you guys really soon, probably tomorrow, honestly, how I install this wig so I can add it to this video. But it's just so pretty. But I'm gonna do intro shots. I will talk to you guys later. Again, check out this unit by Keswigs. They are absolutely amazing. I have nothing bad to say. It's super easy. It takes dye very well. And as far as like the layering went, I absolutely love it. And yeah, this is 180% for the density. So remember to go ahead and use the code SAVE150. I'm gonna put it down below as well for this video for you guys to go ahead and check out. And yeah, be sure to also go ahead and check out and follow Keswigs. All right, you guys, I will talk to you later, and bye.